Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. A candle is made of 17 ounces of wax. When the candle is burning, the amount of wax in the candle decreases by 1 ounce every 4 hours. If 16 ounces of wax remain in this candle, for how many hours has it been burning? Okay, so when initially we have 17 ounces of wax in the candle, that is when time is equal to 0, the amount of wax in the candle is 17. Okay, when time increases by 4 units, that is after 4 hours, when t is equal to 4 hours, the amount of wax in the candle will be 16, because according to the question, so the amount of wax in the candle decreases by 1 ounce every 4 hours. So the wax will decrease by 1 ounce for every 4 hours. In case if I take t is equal to 8, that is the value of t increases by 4 units, then it will become 8. So when t is equal to 8 hours, the amount of wax in the candle will be 15. So because the amount of wax in the candle decreases by 1 ounce every 4 hours. So clearly this is a linear decay, because when t changes at a constant rate, positive 4, W changes at a constant rate, negative 1. So whenever we have quantities in linear decay or linear growth, we can solve this kind of problems using proportion. How this problem can be solved using proportion? Okay, first let me consider this information, that is the amount of wax in the candle decreases by 1 ounce every 4 hours. So 4 to 1. So this refers to number of hours, and this refers to the amount of wax decreased. Okay, so 4 to 1. Okay, now we have to find the amount of wax burned by the candle when 6 ounces of wax remain. So for that, we have to subtract the number of ounces of wax remaining from the initial amount, that is 17 negative 6 equals to 11 ounces. So when 6 ounces of wax remain in the candle, so we have to understand the candle has burned 11 ounces of wax. So we have to find the time taken by the candle to burn this 11 ounces of wax. Let's assume that the candle takes X hours to burn this 11 ounces of wax. Okay, so here if I consider this ratio, the candle takes 4 hours to burn 1 ounce of wax. And this one says the candle takes X number of hours of time to burn 11 ounces of wax. So both the ratios represent the same stuff, so we can equate them. So now it's a proportion. Whenever two ratios are equal, it's called proportion. Okay, now we have to solve for X in this equation that refers to the number of hours that candle has been burning to burn 11 ounces of wax, that is when 6 ounces of wax remain in the candle. Okay, now to solve for X, whether we can write each ratio as a fraction, that is this 4 to 1 can be written as 4 over 1, and this X to 11 can be written as fraction X over 11. Okay, to solve for X, we have to multiply both sides by 11. So when I multiply both sides by 11, this 11 will cancel out. 11 times 4 is 44. And the denominator 1 over here can be ignored. We get X on the right side. So the candle has been burning 44 hours to burn 11 ounces of wax. That means when 6 ounces of wax remain in the candle has been burning 44 hours. So we find 44 in option D. So the correct answer choice for this one is option D.